Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Sinking City 2 game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. Whether you are playing the game on Xbox X series or S series. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following all the 4 steps you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. And also make sure your game is up to date. Step 2 is to clear the Sinking City 2's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for the Sinking City 2 game and highlight it. Then press Menu and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. And step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature on your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. And finally the step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. And once your console restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Sinking City 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then again save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Fix 3 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the Sinking City 2 game and see if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 4 is to reinstall the Sinking City 2 game. So if nothing seems to work, then simply uninstall the Sinking City 2 game from your Xbox console. Then restart your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall the game and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix the Sinking City 2 game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.